Raptor Boats Platform. If you love spending time on the water but need a versatile, stable surface, the Raptor Boats Platform is the perfect solution. This inflatable floating platform is made from high-quality, military-grade PVC material that ensures durability and resistance against punctures and rough conditions. It provides a sturdy surface that can be used for a variety of activities, including fishing, sunbathing, or even serving as an extended dock for boats and jet skis. The anti-slip texture ensures safety, even in wet conditions, while the reinforced D-rings allow you to attach accessories or secure it to your boat. The platform is easy to inflate and deflate, making transportation and storage hassle-free. Whether you want a relaxing spot to lounge on the water or a functional extension to your boat, the Raptor Boats Platform delivers unmatched versatility and durability. Bear-watch camping in the wilderness offers breathtaking experiences, but it also comes with risks, especially in areas where wildlife is abundant. That's where Bear-watch comes in. This state-of-the-art security system is designed to detect large wildlife, such as bears, before they get too close to your campsite. Using advanced motion sensors, heat detection, and AI-powered recognition, Bear-watch can differentiate between different types of movement and alert you in real time through your smartphone or an alarm system. It drastically reduces false alarms by distinguishing between small animals, humans, and actual threats, giving you peace of mind while sleeping in the wild. The device is lightweight, easy to set up, and powered by long-lasting rechargeable batteries, making it ideal for multi-day adventures. With Bear-watch, you can camp with confidence, knowing you'll be alerted before an animal gets too close. Zempire Pro. For those looking for the ultimate high-performance camping tent, the Zempire Pro is an inflatable tent built to handle extreme conditions while providing luxurious comfort. Unlike traditional tents that rely on poles, the Zempire Pro uses advanced air beam technology to inflate and set up within minutes. Made from ultra-durable, weatherproof materials, this tent can withstand high winds, heavy rain, and even light snowfall, making it perfect for year-round camping. Inside, it features spacious living zones, multiple ventilation windows for airflow control, and blackout technology to ensure better sleep by blocking sunlight. Its modular design allows for various configurations, so you can adapt it based on your camping needs. Whether you're planning a family camping trip or an extended outdoor expedition, the Zempire Pro offers the durability and convenience needed for a comfortable adventure. Bajau Cabin. Imagine waking up surrounded by water, gently floating on a serene lake, river, or calm ocean waters. That's exactly what the Bajau Cabin offers. This inflatable floating tent is designed for adventurers who want to experience nature in a completely new way. The Bajau Cabin functions as both a raft and a weatherproof shelter, providing a stable, secure, and comfortable environment for sleeping on water. Made with high-strength waterproof materials, it is built to withstand changing weather conditions while keeping you dry and safe. It includes reinforced anchoring points, allowing you to secure it in place to avoid drifting, and its spacious interior can accommodate multiple people. Setup is simple, requiring only a few minutes with the included air pump. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind camping experience, the Bajau Cabin is a dream come true for water lovers. Advanate Hybrid Pro. When it comes to survival gear, few products are as innovative as the Advanate Hybrid Pro. This revolutionary sleeping bag is designed for extreme conditions, combining warmth, protection, and life-saving technology in one compact package. The Hybrid Pro features advanced insulation materials that provide exceptional warmth while remaining lightweight and breathable. Its waterproof shell ensures protection from rain and snow, keeping you dry in harsh environments. But what truly sets this sleeping bag apart is its built-in emergency breathing system. In avalanche situations or extreme cold, the bag's integrated air system allows you to breathe while being buried under snow, drastically increasing survival chances. This makes it an essential piece of gear for mountaineers, winter campers, and anyone venturing into unpredictable conditions. Float-Troy campfires are a timeless part of outdoor experiences. But what if you could take that experience onto the water? The Float-Troy is a floating fire pit that allows you to enjoy a controlled, open flame while relaxing on lakes, rivers, or pools. Designed with a heat-resistant base and a buoyant ring for stability, this unique fire pit safely contains the fire while preventing heat damage to the water. Its innovative design ensures that embers and ash don't spill, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional campfires. The Float-Troy is ideal for evening gatherings, creating a warm ambiance on the water while keeping everyone entertained. Whether you're looking for a unique camping accessory or an exciting way to enjoy bonfires differently, this floating fire pit brings a new level of enjoyment to outdoor experiences. Flash Speed Pro 3000A reliable flashlight is a must-have for any outdoor adventure, and the Flash Speed Pro 3000 is one of the most powerful and durable options available. With an impressive 3000 lumen output, this high-performance flashlight can illuminate large areas and long distances, making it perfect for hiking, cave exploration, or emergency situations. It features multiple lighting modes, including high beam, low beam, and strobe for signaling in emergencies. The flashlight's durable, waterproof, and shockproof construction ensures it can withstand rough outdoor conditions, and its long-lasting rechargeable battery provides hours of continuous use. Claris CL2. The Claris CL2 is not just a camping lantern, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed for versatile outdoor lighting. With adjustable brightness settings and multiple mounting options, this compact yet powerful lantern is perfect for illuminating tents, campsites, and workspaces. Its foldable design allows for directional lighting, making it useful for reading, cooking, or setting up camp at night. Additionally, it serves as a power bank, allowing you to charge devices like phones and GPS units. Built with rugged, weather-resistant materials, the Claris CL2 ensures reliable performance in various conditions. Whether you're camping, experiencing a power outage, or working outdoors at night, this lantern offers the perfect balance of brightness and functionality. Ignik FireCan Portable. Love campfires but hate the smoke, hassle, and restrictions? The Ignik FireCan Portable is a compact propane fire pit designed to give you the warmth and ambiance of a traditional campfire without the mess. Housed in a rugged, military-style ammo can, it's built for durability and portability. The clean-burning propane system eliminates smoke and ash, making it perfect for areas where traditional fires are banned. Its adjustable flame control lets you set the perfect level of heat, and the 360-degree steel mesh sides give you a full view of the flames while keeping them contained. It connects easily to a 5-pound or larger propane tank, providing hours of steady warmth. With foldable legs for added stability, it's great for camping, tailgating, and backyard hangouts. If you want an eco-friendly, hassle-free campfire, the Ignik FireCan is a must-have. Eno Double Nest Hammock. There's no better way to relax outdoors than in the Eno Double Nest Hammock. Made from lightweight but ultra-durable 70D nylon taffeta, this hammock is strong enough to support up to 400 pounds while remaining breathable and fast-drying. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just hanging out in your backyard, this hammock is built for comfort and convenience. The quick setup design works with ENO's Atlas suspension system, sold separately, allowing you to secure it between two trees or poles in under a minute. No knots required. Its spacious design comfortably fits 2 people, but it's just as cozy when used solo. When not in use, it packs down into a small stuff sack about the size of a grapefruit, making it easy to carry anywhere. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. The Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle is a revolutionary modular shelter system that redefines outdoor accommodations. This innovative tent allows multiple units to be zipped together, creating a customized camping space for families or groups. Each tent is designed with Coleman's WeatherTech system, ensuring superior water resistance and wind protection. Featuring darkroom technology, it blocks sunlight to maintain a cooler interior and provides a comfortable sleeping environment. environment. The intuitive fast pitch system allows for quick and effortless setup, so you can spend less time assembling and more time enjoying nature. Whether you're on a festival trip, a family outing, or a wilderness expedition, this tent bundle provides unmatched flexibility and convenience for every camping scenario. Bear Watch Fence. For campers venturing into bear country, the Bear Watch Fence is an essential safety measure designed to keep unwanted wildlife at bay. This lightweight yet powerful electric fence creates a secure perimeter around your campsite, emitting a harmless but effective pulse to deter bears and other animals. It features a rechargeable power unit that provides multiple nights of operation on a single charge, ensuring long-term protection. The bright warning tape increases visibility, preventing both wildlife encounters and accidental human contact. Easy to set up in just a few minutes. This fence offers peace of mind so you can rest easy, knowing your camp is protected. Whether you're deep in the backcountry or near a national park, the Bear Watch Fence is a must-have for safer outdoor adventure. The Cadle Trailer. The Cadle Trailer is a compact and ultra-efficient micro-camper designed for adventurers who crave mobility and comfort. Featuring a rugged off-road suspension system, this trailer is built to handle even the toughest terrains with ease. Inside, it boasts a fully equipped kitchenette, ample storage space, and a comfortable sleeping area for two. The integrated solar panels provide renewable energy, ensuring continuous power for lights, appliances, and climate control. With its lightweight yet durable construction, it can be towed by most vehicles, making it an excellent choice for extended road trips or off-grid living. Whether you're exploring the mountains, forests, or deserts, the Cadle Trailer offers a perfect balance of convenience, durability, and modern comfort for your travels. Isabella Camplet Passion. The Isabella Camplet Passion is a high-end folding camper that combines elegance with outdoor practicality. Designed with a durable, weather-resistant canvas, this pop-up trailer transforms into a spacious and cozy living space in minutes. Inside, it features a well-equipped kitchenette, smart storage solutions, and a comfortable sleeping area to ensure a pleasant stay. Its lightweight frame allows for easy towing by most vehicles, while the quick deploy system simplifies setup, making it perfect for both weekend getaways and extended road trips. The attention to detail in design and materials ensures longevity and comfort, making it a top choice for campers who want the perfect blend of nature and luxury in their travel. UCO Stake Light. Navigating a dark campsite can be hazardous, but the UCO Stake Light enhances visibility and safety with its built-in LED lighting system. These innovative tent stakes not only secure your shelter, but also provide ambient illumination for your surroundings. Running on small, replaceable batteries, each stake offers up to 10 hours of continuous light with multiple modes, including steady and flashing settings. The rugged aluminum construction ensures durability in all weather conditions, making it a reliable addition to any camping setup. Whether you're hiking late into the night, setting up camp in low-light conditions, or just want extra security around your tent, the UCO Stake Light is a practical tool for all outdoor adventure. Inland Igloo. The Inland Igloo revolutionizes tent design with its inflatable air beam structure, allowing campers to set up their shelter in minutes without traditional poles. The high-pressure air beams provide stability and durability, ensuring that the tent remains secure even in strong winds and heavy rain. Made from premium waterproof fabric with reinforced seams, it delivers superior protection from the elements. The spacious interior is designed for maximum comfort, while built-in ventilation panels enhance airflow for a cooler sleeping environment. Lightweight and easy to pack, this tent is ideal for adventurers seeking a hassle-free, reliable camping solution that blends innovation with outdoor practicality. Pomaly Lumberjack Fast Fold. Stove cold weather camping just got better with the Pomaly Lumberjack Fast Fold stove, a highly efficient and portable wood-burning stove designed for hot tent camping. Made from durable stainless steel, this collapsible stove is easy to assemble and transport, making it perfect for backpacking trips. The high-efficiency combustion chamber maximizes heat output while reducing smoke, ensuring a warm and comfortable environment inside your tent. Its adjustable air intake allows precise temperature control, while the sturdy chimney pipe ensures proper ventilation. Whether you need a reliable heat source or a way to cook meals in freezing conditions, the Lumberjack Fast Fold stove is a game changer for winter campers. CAM-G Camping Guard security is crucial when camping in remote locations, and the CAM-G Camping Guard provides advanced protection with its smart motion detection system. This portable device sets up around your tent and activates an alarm if unauthorized movement is detected. It connects to a mobile app for real-time notifications, ensuring you stay informed of any potential threats. The device is lightweight and weather-resistant, making it ideal for all types of outdoor conditions. Whether you're camping alone or with family, this security system gives you peace of mind, allowing you to relax and enjoy nature without concern for intruders or wildlife disturbances. Bajau Cabin. For an entirely new camping experience, the Bajau Cabin is an inflatable floating tent that lets you sleep on water. Designed with a waterproof and stable base, this tent allows campers to set up on lakes, rivers, or marshlands. Its durable airframe provides excellent stability, ensuring a dry and comfortable night's rest. The rapid inflation system allows for quick and easy setup, making it ideal for water sport enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Whether you're looking for a fresh way to explore nature or a unique place to camp, the Bajau Cabin offers an unforgettable outdoor experience. Gigapump 4.0. Inflating camping gear has never been easier thanks to the Gigapump 4.0. This ultra-compact, rechargeable air pump delivers powerful airflow, making it perfect for inflating sleeping pads, air mattresses, and even fire starting. Weighing just a few ounces, it easily fits in your pocket, making it an essential tool for lightweight backpacking and car camping alike. With its high-capacity battery, it can operate for multiple inflation cycles on a single charge. Plus, it doubles as a vacuum pump, allowing you to compress bulky gear for easy packing. Durable, water-resistant, and built for adventure, the Gigapump 4.0 ensures you spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the outdoors. Heim Planet, the Cave. The Heim Planet. The Cave is an inflatable tent that revolutionizes traditional camping shelters. With its advanced airframe structure, it sets up in less than a minute. Just unpack, inflate, and you're ready to go. The geodesic design ensures maximum stability, even in extreme weather conditions, providing a secure and comfortable shelter. Made from high-quality ripstop polyester, it offers excellent durability and weather resistance. The interior features smart storage compartments and a spacious layout, making it ideal for small groups or solo adventurers. Whether you're setting up camp in the mountains, desert, or forest, this innovative tent is designed to handle the elements while providing a hassle-free camping experience. Camok Ursa Sleep System. For the ultimate outdoor sleep experience, the Camok Ursa Sleep System offers unparalleled comfort and versatility. This all-in-one sleeping solution includes a self-inflating mattress, an insulated quilt, and an ergonomic pillow, all designed to provide a restful night's sleep in the wild. The quilt features temperature-regulating insulation, keeping you warm in cold conditions while remaining breathable in warmer climates. The sleep system is lightweight, easy to pack, and built with high-quality materials to ensure long-term durability. Whether you're camping in a tent, a van, or under the stars, the Camok Ursa Sleep System guarantees a cozy and restful sleep wherever adventure takes you. The Thudukan Docking Room. The Thudukan Docking Room is a versatile and modular camping shelter that enhances your outdoor living space. Designed to attach to vehicles, RVs, or standalone tents, this innovative structure provides extra shade, storage, and weather protection. The durable, waterproof fabric ensures all-weather reliability, while the adjustable design allows for different configurations based on your needs. Whether you're looking for a private changing area, additional sleeping space, or a shaded cooking station, the docking room adapts to your adventure. With its quick setup and lightweight design,